Hi Mayank, can you tell us about yourself a bit?
Okay, my name is Mayank and I am actually studying in India. I'm doing engineering.
Okay.
And I'm in third year. So I'm studying electronics and communication engineering. So
Okay.
That's all.
I see. Okay. And why were you interested in programming or to get started with this?
Basically, I actually want to become a video game developer.
Video game developer. Okay,
I
I
want
see.
to create games.
Yeah.
And that's what got me into programming. That's what the interest that, because from young I've been only playing video games, so the mechanism how they're created got me interested.
Yeah.
And to do that you have to become a very good programmer.
Programmer, yes.
Yes. So I realized that C++ and .NET, all these things are basics. They are the most native things you should learn to become either working for a company or either becoming an independent video game developer. So that's why
That's where you got your interest into programming and you went to do this. So basically how did you find out about us?
Well, actually my sister my sister had got to know about this institution.
Yeah, okay.
From internet. So my sister told me that this is institution and it's good, and she got a value-added service. She improved. So that's why I also got interested, and so I told my father that please, I am looking for .NET and I'm looking for I have to get this course. I have to learn this course, and because it will teach me the basics, and only then I'll be able to understand what's really good.
Right, and that's when he contacted us and
Yes.
worked out about this. So how did you find the program that you attended so far? And because I think when you came to us, we actually realized that you are not having so much of exposure in object-oriented concepts, and
Yes,
then
yes.
so you can talk a bit about that.
Actually,
Because you joined .NET,
when I came, I had no idea what's supposed to be done. So actually, while doing the course, I also evaluated myself, and I actually brought up my honest approach, because honestly, I had not done object-oriented things. The teachers just skipped in my college.
Yeah.
So I mailed you, and I said that I have to get this object-oriented things, my concepts clear, because I have not done it in college, and this is the basic structure of modern applications and this modern programming. So so it's of course a value-added service. I learned so much things, and of course I realized that before creating any let's say even a simple application, there are many steps where you have to plan. You need to know something like UML. I've never heard of that before, but I got to know just from joining .NET and from the object-oriented
classes. Yeah, that is where we saw it very essential for you to attend object-oriented first. We moved you to that class, and then you got exposure from there. So that then eventually would help you into your .NET. Yeah, and then so basically whatever you attended with us, like .NET and even C++, that matched your expectation of what we were looking at?
Yes, definitely. Because now it has become something like, even if I let's say I'm lacking something in myself, I can just move forward from the foundation that Core Infotech has provided.
Yeah, and you also started building a project which we worked with you, give it to you, and then it took a lot of your hours and time. So you can tell us a bit about your project.
Okay, basically I was supposed to create this attendance system where I'm creating a user profile for all the students and trainers who are participating in Core Infotech, who have joined Core Infotech, and we actually we are assigning them into the different batches when they join for this batch, and we assign them, and it's like when they come to Core Infotech, so we also have this time tracker. So when they log into the system, they have to log in, and then the time at which they log in and the date gets stored, and when they log out, the time when they log out, that time and the date also gets stored.
So yeah. So we would actually like to congratulate you because you created a console-based application as well as a GUI-based application.
Yeah.
So you took it further to the next step to implement it to different languages and stuff.
Yeah.
So that was good because it would help you. And I think now you are left with the last part, which you will also finish it and get it done. So that was good of you to put that time on it, put that effort, because we can only guide so much, but the student has to really do it himself, otherwise it doesn't get the results that we are looking up to. And then you think any of your friends will be interested in this and you will recommend them to Core, and what would be the primary reason for you to do so?
Basically, because see, there's this one basic fact in India: they don't teach this, and it's not only in my college actually. In other colleges also, nobody knows what is really supposed to be done when it comes to IT. People just go for programming courses, basics, and they expect that they can do great things. But you need to know the implementation, and Core Infotech introduces to you, and it's like a big shock when I came into Core Infotech, and I realized that there's so much things that you need to be that you need to know. Basics is the college that they teach the basics is like almost 1% of the whole thing.
The whole thing. And I think this is where our free career guidance approach helps, where we expose you to what all things are there, what you need, how will you achieve them, what you will do yourself, what we'll do with us, and stuff like this. So it's been very nice with you, and thank you very much for your views and comments, and we wish you good luck.